Ecovac's Deebot X2 Omni, a standout hybrid robot cleaner that sets a new standard for vacuuming and mopping in 2024. With its advanced features and improved design, the Deebot X2 Omni surpasses its predecessors, offering an unparalleled cleaning experience. This cutting-edge device combines the convenience of a robot vacuum with the efficiency of a mop, ensuring your floors are impeccably clean. One of the most notable features of the X2 Omni is its ability to seamlessly transition between vacuuming and mopping. The device is equipped with a sophisticated mop lifting mechanism that automatically raises the mop pads by 0.6 inches when carpets are detected, preventing moisture damage. The base station includes a large capacity 3-liter dust bag designed to contain up to 90 days worth of debris under normal usage conditions, as highlighted by Ecovac. For an even deeper clean, the X2 Omni incorporates 2 rotating mop discs that spin at 180 rotations per minute. Coupled with a longer 200mm main rubber brush, the device efficiently captures crumbs, hair, and dust on both hard floors and carpets, making it especially beneficial for pet owners. At the heart of the X2 Omni's navigation prowess is a dual laser LiDAR sensor capable of detecting objects up to 10 meters away across a 210-degree field of view. This technology enables the robot to intelligently navigate, avoid obstacles, and map out cleaning paths, creating detailed 3D maps for a customized cleaning experience. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.